Hi, welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. I think I'm getting a brain freeze from the ice cream. Ah! Oh, there's a dance to that. Let's go. Let's learn Brain Freeze by Tommy G. Parker to a song about ice cream. Who doesn't love ice cream? Here's a preview of the steps. 32 counts, 2 walls, no tags, no restarts. With a right, left, back, right coaster step, left, go back, coaster step, right clap, left clap, coaster step, left clap, right clap, coaster step, to the right, behind and a shuffle half turn, to the left, behind and a shuffle half turn, rock, hitch, shuffle to the 9 o'clock wall, half turn, quarter, rock, recover, start again. So you're facing either the 12 o'clock or the 6 o'clock. Let's break it down. First 8. We do a right, forward, and a left, and then we go back with a coaster step, right, left, right. And then we go left, right, back, coaster step. And the first one, the choreographer calls it an oops. Oops, I didn't mean to go forward. So the first one is an oops. From the top, walk forward right, rock left, back, coaster step. Walk forward left, go back right, left, coaster step. The counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Second 8, we do a V step, a modified V, a right, and a left, and a coaster step. So usually we do out, out, in. This time we do out, out, coaster step. And we add a clap. So it's right, clap, left, clap, coaster step. Same thing, but with the left foot now. Left, clap, right, clap, coaster step. And the choreographer suggests you clap up high. I'm not going to because of my mic. Okay, so the second set of 8 is a right out, clap, a left out, clap, back coaster step. Then we repeat, but with the left foot, left, clap, right, clap, coaster step. So it's an out, out, coast. And you can put your hip into it. Out, out, for styling. Great. And the counts are 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Perfect. Let's put the first 16 together. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Perfect. Moving on. With a right to the side, a left behind, and then a right shuffle to the side with a half turn over our right shoulder. So it's shuffle, half turn. Now you should be facing 6 o'clock. Then we do the same thing, but with the left foot. Left, behind. Now we're going to turn left over our left shoulder to face the 12 o'clock wall with a shuffle turn. Shuffle, half turn. So your weight should be on your left foot when you finish. So it looks like this. Right, behind, shuffle, half turn. Left, behind, shuffle, half turn. Good. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes, now you're facing 12 o'clock. The last set of 8, we rock, step side and rock with your right, Then we hitch our left. Then we shuffle towards the 9 o'clock wall with a quarter turning shuffle. Shuffle. Now we're facing 9 o'clock. We do 2 half turns. Right over our left shoulder, stepping left over our left shoulder. And then we do a quarter pivot turn to your new wall, the 6 o'clock wall. So let's do that again. So we just did it's step right, hitch left. So you want more of a rock recover, like rock, shuffle half, shuffle quarter turn to your left. Rock right, shuffle quarter turn over your left, half turn, quarter pivot turn. Yes. Let's put it together one more time and then with words and then with counts. Rock to the right. Right, hitch, left, shuffle, quarter, turn, half turn, pivot, a quarter. Yes, it's easier, faster. So let's do it with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. No. 5, 6, 7, 8. There's no and. One more time with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're ready to start again. With words. Wall 2. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, rock, coaster, step, left, go back. Coaster, step, and we clap. And we coaster, step, and we step, clap, coaster, step. To the right, behind, and a shuffle, half turn. To the left, behind, and a shuffle, half turn. Step, hitch, shuffle, quarter, and a turn, and a rock. Recover. That's it. Second wall, from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you, Tommy G. Parker, for this fun choreography. The song is about ice cream causing you a brain freeze. Speaking of ice cream, I'm going to go get some.